Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. In this video, we are going to talk about two very popular form builders. These are Jotform and the Google Form. Many people use forms for surveys, collecting information, or even business applications. But the big question is which one is more powerful? And that's what we will find out in this video. But before we go deeper, I just want to remind you one thing. In the description of this video, I put links where you can check the latest features, pricing, and official deals for both Jotform and the Google Forms. So always check the description after watching this video to get the most updated information. Now let's start with the Google Forms. Google Forms is very simple and free. So you can create forms quickly and you can add questions, you can add multiple choice text, and even you can upload files. So it connects directly with your Google Sheet, and for that all responses are saved automatically. Many teachers, small businesses, and individuals use Google Forms because it is very easy, free, and reliable. The interface is also very easy and clean, so even beginners can create forms in just a minute. But one limitation is the customization. Google Forms does not have many design options for advanced workflow. Now let's talk about the Jotform. Jotform is a more advanced form builder. You can create beautiful forms with just drag and drop tools, and it supports conditional logic, which means the forms can change based on user answers. Jotform also has payment integration, workflow automation, and many templates for different kind of industries. So you can even use it to create applications, contacts, or even registrations. Jotform is very powerful, but some plans are paid, especially if you want more submissions or storage. So which one is a powerful option? Well, if you want something simple, free, and fast, then Google Form is the perfect one. But if you want advanced feature, more customization, and powerful tool for your business or professional use, then Jotform is a better option. Many people use Google Forms for basic needs and they use Jotform for professional and complex workflow. So in short, Google Form is simple and free, and Jotform is very powerful and flexible for advanced need. And both are useful depending on what you want to do. So just remember to check the description below this video for official links and updated prices or feature. So this will help you to pick the right form builder for your work. So thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.